today I thought it would be fun to go through my favorite Christmas and winter coloring books from Creative Haven. Now some of these I have colored in from past years, others are new, but I will be coloring in them this this Christmas, because especially the new ones. So let's just get started. So one of my favorites, and this is actually a fun little secret, how I started to learn to color hair was actually coloring pine needles. So once I got the hang of creating pine needles, like I started doing hair. So just fun fact. So one of the books that actually helped me achieve that was this one. It's called Christmas Trees by Creative Haven. It is, the last name of the artist is Lanza. I might even say it on the first page here. Barbara Lanza. So this is literally just a book with all trees. Has that old nice paper they used to do. But you have like some like this, others that are more traditional. Let me see if I can find the one where I actually like used that. I mean, look at all the fun designs. They're all like themed. Oh, here we go. So this is where I actually learned how to, let me zoom in a little more, get that flicking motion. This was done with Prismacolors. I have a few tutorials on my channel now for pine needles, including one on Hannah Carlson where they don't even look like this, and I turned them into this, but just flicking colors. So yeah, I had a lot of fun with that, and that's where I learned it. These ones here, I probably won't really color, but like these ones are really fun. I mean, look, you got all that on the tree. Little like ocean themed one. So they're really cute and fun. Okay, now this one is Home for the Holidays by Teresa Goodridge. I think this is one of the new ones, but I didn't do a flip through of it, and I'm only like kind of semi-flipping through. But this one is really cute. So this is going to be really fun to work on this winter. Oh my gosh, that one with the carrots. Oh, in a bundle. How cute. So yeah, this is going to be a really fun one. I love Teresa Goodridge. Christmas, and you'll notice, well, yeah, the rest of these are all her. Okay, so this is Country Christmas by Teresa Goodridge. This is an older one because it has the nice paper. But you can see super cute images. And I do plan to color in these, so if there's like any color alongs or tutorials or anything you'd be interested in, you want to see them on a live stream, let me know. Have I not colored a page in this one? I swear I did. Maybe I didn't. All right. This is Enchanted Christmas, also a Teresa Goodridge. This came out last year. Now this had the paper, it's that new paper that they've been doing, and I'm not a fan of. So these are unperforated edges in the book, so I pulled it out, scanned it, printed it on paper I liked, and then I just used Prismacolor, but again, the flicking motion to create those contrasts with the pine needles. But this one's a really cute one too. It's just the paper is, it's better to flip this way for you guys. See, like, look at those images. Like, this would be so fun. Like, Prismas do okay. I've noticed the budget pencils that kind of have that extra waxy filler, like the Arctics. Oh, that's a pretty one. What's another one? Brute Fooner squares. And those types tend to do better on this paper. But yeah, really cute. So I'm going to definitely color in that one. Then we have Christmas Charm, also Teresa Goodridge. Basically, if a Teresa Goodridge book comes out, I'm going to buy it. So I did this one 2 Christmases ago. But see, again, I did the flicking. So I even flicked them out of the lines to give it more of a realistic effect. So from afar, you can see it. This was all with Prismacolor. This is, I think, the better... Yeah, this is the better paper. So this was just before they started swapping paper. But I do want to do some more in this one. Just super cute. I had started this one. In fact, yes. So the tutorial on my channel for pine needles with Brute Ferner squares is on from this page. Because I even show you how I add white gel pen to kind of give them a little bit of a frosty tipped look. But yeah, this is with Brute Ferner squares. I should try and finish that one. I'll have to go look at my own tutorial to see my color combo. But yeah, those are my Creative Haven Christmas books that I plan to color in this month. If you have Creative Haven books, or if there's any of these you would like to see me color in, let me know. I'm probably going to have my channel's December buddy color come from one of these. That or PDF. I'm on the fence, but we shall see. So thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope you all are having a wonderful holiday season so far. And until next time, take care. Bye now.